Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to make this pricing table in WordPress. I have used Editor Plus for styling. Now let's get started. I have a group with a background color. Now add columns block inside this group. These are the column variation. Select one column variation. Then it will look like this. Now add a group block inside this column. Then add a heading block inside this group. Add heading text. Then go to settings, open typography and change the font weight to bold and font size 30 pixel. Letter spacing 3. Now close the typography. Let's add one more heading here. Now add the pricing here over here. Then select the $sign and make it to subscript. Then select the per month and make it to subscript. Then select this price and make it to bold. Now go to typography and change the font size to 70 pixel. Then go to margin and set margin to 0 important. Now select this basic text and also set this margin to 0. Let's add 10 pixel margin from bottom. Now go to list view and select this group from list view. Let's close this. Then add a background gradient background color to this group. Go to gradient. Here we need to set the first color. Then open the second one and add this color over here. Now let's close the background. Go to padding. Go to advanced. Add top 45, right 30, bottom 80 and left also 30. Now close this. Then go to border radius. Click on advanced. Top 20 and right 20. We need radius from top like this. Then select this basic text. Go to typography and change the color to white. Also select this and change the color to white. Now let's select this group from list view. Open a shape divider and let's select this shape divider. By default it is on top. Let's select the bottom position and change the color to white. Now we need to add one more group in this column. Let's add the group and select this group from list view. Change the background color to white. Then go to margin and set it to 0 important. Then open padding. Go to advanced. Add 30 pixel padding from top, right and bottom 50 and left also 30. Then add a list inside this group. Then add list items over here by add another list item like this. Add all the list item over here. After that, go to list view, open it and select the list from list view. Then go to setting, go to padding, go to click on advanced and set left padding to 0. Then scroll down and under typography click on appearance and change the weight to medium. Then open the list panel and click on this toggle. Here use icon, open the use icon toggle and change the item spacing to 15. Then scroll down. Here we need to add 15 padding. Then change the list icon color to this color. Then close the list panel. Now we need to add the button over here. Let's add the button block. Let's close the side panel. Change the alignment to center. Add button text over here. Go to border radius and add 999 pixel radius to this button. Then go to padding, go to advanced, then add top 14, right 35, bottom 14 and left also 35. Then go to background and change the button background color to this. Then open typography, change the font weight to regular, font size 15 pixel. Now let's select the column and duplicate the column and make other pressing boxes as well, like this. Let's change the background color and the text. I'll skip the video. Now I have changed the background, pricing and list item. Now let's add a spacer block over here. Change the spacer height to 30. Then drag it over here above the button and change this spacer height to 115. Then go to list view and select this group. Then go to border radius, add bottom and left border radius to 20 pixel. Same thing we do with the other two pricing boxes. Now all done here, let's update the page and go to front end. Now you can see it will look something like this on the front end. Hope you like the video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe Gutenberg Hub.